Look, listen, and repeat. Crop top. Crop top. A crop top is perfect for a summer beach party. Peplum top. Peplum top. A peplum top emphasizes the waist. Long sleeve. Long sleeve. She wears a long sleeve under her jacket for extra warmth in the fall. Hoodie. Hoodie. I like to wear an oversized hoodie with leggings. Turtleneck. Turtleneck. This cashmere turtleneck is soft to the touch. Cardigan. Cardigan. She put on a long button-down cardigan. Evening gown. Evening gown. She felt like a princess in her floor-length evening gown. Sundress. Sundress. She completes her sundress with a wide-brimmed hat. Jumpsuit. Jumpsuit. She put on a jumpsuit and sandals for a casual summer look. Breeches. Breeches. I like to wear breeches in the summertime. Leggings. Leggings. She put on leggings and a sweatshirt for her morning yoga class. Bolero. Bolero. Maria prefers to wear a bolero over an evening gown. Cape. Cape. She draped a wool cape over her shoulders. Poncho. Poncho. She wrapped herself in a cozy poncho to keep warm. Windbreaker. Windbreaker. He always wears a windbreaker when hiking to protect him from the wind. Raincoat. Raincoat. She put on a yellow raincoat with a hood to stay dry in the heavy rain. Bomber jacket. Bomber jacket. She pairs a bomber jacket with a dress for a trendy look. Denim jacket. Denim jacket. A classic denim jacket goes well with a white t-shirt. Leather jacket. Leather jacket. She chose a brown leather jacket for the evening out. Down jacket. Down jacket. I bought a lightweight down jacket for travel and outdoor activities. Coat. Coat. She wrapped herself in a wool coat to warm up the evening. Trench coat. Trench coat. A trench coat is my main outerwear for the transitional season. Parka. Parka. This parka is suitable for the beginning of winter. Sheepskin coat. Sheepskin coat. She wears a sheepskin coat in winter. Fur coat. Fur coat. A fur coat provided warmth and comfort during cold winter months. Test yourself. What is the picture of? Turtleneck, crop top, long sleeve, peplum top. Peplum top. What is it? Evening gown. Which picture shows jumpsuit? This one. What is it? Windbreaker. What is the picture of? Raincoat, down jacket, coat, cardigan. Down jacket. Which picture shows sheepskin coat? This one. What is it? Sundress. What is the picture of? Parka, trench coat, fur coat, bomber jacket. Fur coat. Which picture shows leather jacket? This one. What is it? Turtleneck.